Ellsbury from Acrylic Art Paintings. Welcome to my channel. So just like in the previous video, all of these paints have only 1 part paint, 1 part Elmer's glue, and a little bit of water, maybe 2 or 3 teaspoons until I reach this consistency right here. See? Now I'm going to move them away, and I'm going to start again with my flower. This is a piece of poster board that I'm going to start with a dark orange. Just like I did in the previous one, I just think that this is a great way to fix paintings that we don't like or failed pours. So, and as we all know, we just need practice, you know, and so the more we practice, the better we become. So I just, again, having fun with this, just making my strokes here with my little wooden stick. That kind of looks like a flower, doesn't it? In my eyes, maybe. But nevertheless. Okay, so there is kind of the outline. And now I'm going to use maybe the lighter orange, and I'm going to do the same. Maybe I should put some music, but anyway, I like talking to you. It makes me feel like I'm not doing this by myself. So I picture you along here, my table, around my table, and just having a nice conversation and laughing and just having a good time here at home. So, you know, my YouTube channel is kind of like my home in YouTube. So I'm kind of filling this up in here. I like this cardboard because I feel also that we don't waste that much paint, that there is something that we can do when we're done with the dip. Because with this technique, the dipping technique, we know that we have 2 pours, so to speak, or 2 paintings. So I think that the poster board, we can use it for, I don't know, maybe cards or other decorations. So there it is. Because what happens is, in the Gemma's videos, she does this directly in the plastic, but then what happens when she's done is that I think that paint that she dips into, she just have to dispose of it. So I think this is a better way to, or not a better, but at least a way to get 2 paintings out of your paint and benefit from both of them. So what do you think? Let me know in your comments and see what you think about that. What do you do when you have 2 paintings? So I'm just using the green color here to resemble leaves, and I'm going to surround my flower with this dark green. Now I'm going to use my lighter green or my lime green to create a little design. What I like about this technique to fix failed pours is that the failed pour acts as a background, and it looks very, very pretty. So, I mean, just like if you haven't seen my previous video, I'm going to link it at the end of this one. And you will see there that the background, it just looks like some vines in there, and the flower like right in the middle of them. I really, really like it. But then again, I'm biased. It's my painting, so but nevertheless, this is just I think it's a good way to fix failed pours or failed paintings. So now I think I'm going to use the leftover, the last bit that I have of this darker orange. And this is gonna give it a little pop. Because this is the first, this is what's going to go in my canvas when I dip it, is this part over here, the top. So I think it looks good now. Very, very good. Okay, I'm going to bring my canvas and you'll see why. I have a video of it, but man, it just took me forever to try to fix it, see? So now I'm just going to dip it. See, right there. Very good. Now with my palette knife, I'm going to gently try to smear the paint and make sure that there are not air bubbles in there. Gently, gently. There we go. I think it's ready. Now, the trick is, or the secret is, pull from the middle up, not from the edge up. The middle. 1, 2, 3, go. Well, while I do this, come on, show your support and give me some likes. And 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my goodness. Gently, gently. There we go. Okay, all right. Ooh, look at that. I like it. I like how it looks. So now you see the background in there. Now the background looks pretty. See? Ooh, I like it. Very good. Now I have that one in here that I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. Now I'm going to use my little spoon and try to do a little more of a leaf shape in there. When I do these things, I keep hearing my granddaughter, Grandma, don't overdo it. Please, don't overdo it. But, we can help. We can help. But anyway, I think it looks good over here. I really like what I see. So what do you think? I mean, do you think that this technique is a good idea to use in failed pours like this one? I think so. All right. I have to figure out a way on how to incorporate glitter in this thing. And the most important thing is, do not let fluid art or fluid art painting get the best of you. I mean, just have fun with it and practice, and don't be afraid to fail is what I want to say. So I have this glitter here mixed with Elmer's glue and a little bit of water, and I'm gonna put it right here in the center, right there. And then I probably will continue doing it, and let's see, let me show you right there. See, so I'm gonna maybe do some around. While I do that, I'll invite you to subscribe to my channel. It's really easy, and hit that notification bell. Now, this is the dry pour. I wanted to show it to you because, see, it dries really nicely. It doesn't crack. And so look at the background. It looks really, really nice, and so it helps the flower just pop. Look at that that glitter in there. It looks very pretty. There's the background in there. So what do you think, guys? Have we mastered this? So thank you for joining me today. If you decide to try this technique, come and share it with us in our group on Facebook. Till then, keep painting.